Taiwanese guava. Look at this. The flower buds are coming out. I'm getting a lot of flowers here. But I'm having a problem. I'm getting this black bugs here. I think they're some type of aphid. Let's see, but today I'm gonna spray this. This is just a bottle, okay? It's the neem oil. In here, just it's neem oil. I'm gonna spray on my Taiwanese guava here. And also the tip has this black insect. They look like aphid. I think they're aphid. Black tiny bugs here. Yeah, they're like on almost every tip of this plant. Every tip of this guava. So I'm just gonna spray. Yeah, even see, look at this. And on the flower buds too. That, see that black? You can see it. Sprayed it once already. It has see they're like back. So let me see. It's almost on every one of them. Let's see. Hopefully I do a good job this time. Let's see. Okay, I think that's it.